Today I'm going to answer 40 most frequently asked questions about Generac generator installation. This is Amir from Prestige Electric. After 10 years being in business and installing more than 300 generators, we have gathered all the questions that are most frequently asked from me or my colleagues. We are going to give you the answers in 4 separate videos. I'm going to start with 10 of them in this video. So the first question is, what is the fuel for the generator? Generac generators work with either liquid propane, natural gas, or diesel. Second question is, what is the capacity of the propane tanks? So there are different sizes of propane tanks. Most frequently used are the 420 pound propane tanks. We'll need minimum 2 of them for, let's say, 26 kilowatt. If you go for a bigger generator, submarine propane tanks are the best. Third question is, how can we determine which generator is suitable for a house? It all depends on your need. Let's say if you want to put the essentials on the generator, you're going to go with a 7.5 or 10 kilowatt. If you want to put the whole house, we can put a 26 kilowatt. If the items that you have in the house are more than 26 kilowatt, let's say if you have 2 furnaces and it's a pretty big house, we can go liquid cool up to 150 kilowatt. Between 25 and 150 kilowatt units are mostly big houses or light commercials. Fourth question, it says, is it possible to install the generator inside the house? No, it's not possible. Based on the regulations, the generator has to be outside of the house and it has to be a certain distance from any openings of the house. Fifth question, what happens if snow covers the generator during the winter? So if the snow has covered the generator more than 3 feet and there is no air circulation, you have to clean it up or put a base underneath. If it's less than, let's say, 1 feet and there is enough air circulation, there is nothing to worry about. Number 6, can we have a shelter or cover over the generator? By the code of Generac, we can't have any shelter less than 5 feet clearance at the top of the generator, and you need to have openings on each side so that there is enough air circulation. Otherwise, the generator is going to get damaged and Generac will void the warranty. Number 7, how much noise does the generator make during the operation? Different generators make different noises. Let's say between 65 and 67 decibel is the operating noise, which is similar to a gas lawnmower. Number 8, can the generator run on more than one type of fuel? Not at the same time. So if you have set the generator on natural gas or liquid propane, it's on that type of fuel. If ever in future you have decided to change it, yes, we definitely can modify type of fuel that the generator is using. Number 9, how long can the generator run continuously? It depends on the type of generators. So let's say if you're talking about air-cooled units, it's 100 hours. Liquid cooled, the same. If you're going, there are some kind of generators that are designed to work continuously. So how it works is that if there is 100 hours of operation, no power, you need to do the maintenance. So you need to call a certified Generac technician to come and do the maintenance on it and verify if everything is in good shape. Number 10, the last question for today is that what is the startup time for the generator when the power goes out? So the generator is going to sense the power right away, but it depends between 5 to 30 seconds. The generator is going to start. Then as soon as it reaches 3600 RPM, it will switch to the generator and give the power to the house. So maximum you have 1 minute of no power at the house. The startup time is, we can modify it, so it's something that we can modify if ever you wanted to make it faster or with more delay, we can modify it during the installation. That will be it for today. We are gonna go with the second video for the next 10 questions.